Hey my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hello, I'm Alberta, but you can just simply call me Albie. So if you would love to see how I transformed my boho island braids from this to this, then please do keep on watching. You don't really need a lot of products or tools in order to maintain your boho curls. So I don't know why some of you wait for your boho braids to get so tangled before you do maintenance on it. You really do not need much. Okay, you really do not need much. So the only thing I'm going to be using is this spray bottle with some water. I have water in this spray bottle, just water in this spray bottle. Also a curl keeper. Okay, a curl keeper, and then some leave-in conditioner. Okay, I'm going to be making use of this leave-in conditioner. The last time when I posted the very first boho braids tutorial on my page, somebody requested I film or I post a maintenance video on how to maintain boho curls. But when I saw the comments, I had already taken the braids out. So today I'm back with a maintenance video for you guys because I do have boho braids on right now. And yeah, in case you've not seen the tutorial for this hairstyle, it's up on my page. You guys can check it out. It's the video before this one. I'm also going to leave the link to the tutorial in my description box. It's a beautiful hairstyle. Okay, so without further ado, let's get straight into the video. I have my braids looking this way because I also do maintenance every time I'm going to bed. But the bedtime maintenance is not as intense or is not as detailed as my daily maintenance that I do. During the day, I don't really do much because I do maintenance before going to bed. And for the bedtime maintenance, all I do is to just finger detangle the braids. I just finger detangle the braids and then I just braid it into this box braids that you guys are seeing. So that's basically all I do for bedtime maintenance. And if the hair feels super dry, I just spray some water and the leave-in conditioner before going to bed. After doing this braids, I just wrap it up with my drag or my what's it called, my hair bonnet. Yeah, I either wear my hair bonnet or I use my drag, and then yeah, I just go to bed. So when I wake up in the morning, I just take out the braids and then that's it. The hair looks brand new. Okay, so I do this maintenance that I'm about to show you guys when the hair needs maintenance. You know it needs like detailed maintenance. So this is what the braids is looking now. I've had it for 2 weeks now. Yeah. I've had the braids for about 2 weeks now. You guys, I think this is the longest I've had braids on. I know you guys will understand me because I'm a hair content creator and I'm always doing hairstyles. This is our hair. This is what the braids is looking like. First step is to finger detangle. Finger detangling is very important. You don't just want to go straight in with your brush when your braids is looking like this. No. Try to finger detangle the hair in small sections. So this is the first section that I'm taking and I'm going to finger detangle. And we say finger detangling basically is separating the braids or detangling the braids and making sure it's free from knots with your fingers, not with a brush. So that's what finger detangling is. So you guys see what I'm doing? I'm just separating the braids where my fingers. This is very easy to do. So if you are finger detangling and you come across a braid that is like knotted, like it's very knotted, then you take your time, you free from the knot. So this is it. Just separate it. So after finger detangling, you should be able to run your fingers through the braids like this. You should be able to run your fingers through the braids after finger detangling. So this means it's free from knots, This means it's not knotted. I don't know why people say it's so difficult to maintain boho braids. Okay, I feel like maybe the synthetic ones will be difficult. The thing is, if the boho curls you are using is synthetic, then I believe you have to do maintenance every day. Because even with the human hair curls, I do nighttime maintenance. For my nighttime maintenance, I do not skip it. Okay, because maybe during the day I might be in a rush, heading out, be in a rush, and I will not have time to do the maintenance during the day. So I make sure not to miss the nighttime maintenance. What I say. So when I wake up the next morning, I just detangle or I just take out the box braids and then I'm good to go. So don't wait for the hair to get tangled before you decide to look at it. Styling also helps with the maintenance. If you style it, then you wouldn't have to do too much for maintenance. So you see this side is a bit knotted, but this hair is actually very easy to maintain. I won't lie, like it's good hair. It's quite easy to maintain. Okay. The next step is to go in with the product I showed you guys earlier. So the first thing I'm going to be going in with is water. Okay, so this is just water in my spray bottle. I'm just going to spray that on this section of hair. Always make sure you work in sections, okay? Just always work in small sections. What I say, work in small sections. This makes whatever you are doing easy and faster. Okay, so you see, after spraying the water, I'm still able to run my fingers through the braids. The next thing I'll be going in with is this leave-in conditioner. This is from Maxim Cosmetics, by the way. Last but not the least is this curl keeper. You guys, I just realized my neighbor's daughter has mixed my curl keeper with water. I saw her playing with it in my room, but I didn't know she had mixed water with the curl keeper. So it has made the curl keeper very light. This curl keeper is very thick. It's very thick. So the consistency I'm seeing now means the little girl mixed it with water. But that's just kids, by the way. She's just 3 years old. So yeah, I'm also going to have kids one day. I do want to have kids soon. But yeah. Look at it. Looking so fresh. Look at it. It looks new. We are going to repeat the same process on all the braids. All the braids. After maintenance, I would advise you to style the hair. Don't just leave it like that, right? If you don't want to do too much work, make sure you style it after the maintenance. Because I know some of you wouldn't want to do maintenance every single day. So make sure you style it just so you be on the safer side. That's what I say. Make sure you style it. I'm just going to allow it to air dry. It looks so beautiful. Look at the tip. Even the braiding hair looks good after maintenance. This is synthetic hair. This one. Not this one. This one. The braiding extension that I use. That's why I said you people should go and check out the tutorial, because I curl the ends of the braiding hair after doing the hairstyle. And see, after the maintenance, even the synthetic hair also looks good. So it means you can do the same maintenance on synthetic boho curls. But I feel like with the synthetic, you would have to be doing the maintenance every single day. This is what we have. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you are new here and you've been able to, let me go back so you guys can see this stuff. Yeah, this is it. So yeah, if you are new here and you've been able to watch up to this point, please do not hesitate to hit on the subscribe button and also turn on the post notifications bell so that you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now. I love you. See you next time. Peace.